Good morning students, how are all of you today? Today we are going to talk about a new concept in English grammar. Look at the board all of you. Chapter 20, Use of apostrophe S. Look at the board, there is a sentence for you. This pen belongs to Tara. This pen belongs to Tara. How can we write the same sentence in any other way? By using the apostrophe S, we can change the sentence. Let's see how it is done. I am using an auxiliary verb here is this is. Whose pen is this? This is Tara. Apostrophe yes. Tara's pen. Children, look at the board. There is a symbol. I have used here a symbol. This one. The name of the symbol is apostrophe. A-P-O-S-T-R-O-P-H-E. Apostrophe. We use apostrophe yes. You can see here Tara's apostrophe yes to show belonging. Use of apostrophe yes. We add apostrophe yes to nouns to show belonging. Look at the sentence given here. This pencil belongs to Rashmi. This pencil belongs to Rashmi. How can we rewrite the sentence using apostrophe yes? So just look at here. This is Rashmi's pencil. Rashmi, name of a person, proper noun, plus apostrophe s, Rashmi's, to shows possession of something. Whose pencil it is? This is Rashmi's pencil. Second one, Ritu has curly hair. How can we rewrite it? Ritu's hair is curly. Yes? See, this is the way to frame the sentences using apostrophe yes. Apostrophe yes. Let's see some other examples which are given in the textbook. Let's take page number 116. First exercise, encircle the words that show belonging. One has been done for you. Let's read the first sentence. Aditya's car got stolen. Here the word Aditya's, Aditya apostrophe yes, indicate belonging or possession of something. The car that belongs to Aditya got stolen. Aditya's car got stolen. Second sentence. Shan's pencil box is red. The pencil box that belongs to Shan is red. Whose pencil box is red? It's Shan's. So we have to circle Shan's. Shan apostrophe yes. Apostrophe yes always indicate the belonging or possession of something. Third one. This is my mother's bangle stand. Here the word mother's, mother apostrophe yes. Fourth one. My father's watch is costly. The watch that belongs to my father is costly. So we can encircle father's. Father apostrophe yes. Whose watch is costly? My father's. Hence, apostrophe yes indicates ownership or possession of something. Ravi's pen is lying on the desk. Ravi plus apostrophe yes. The pen which is lying on the desk belongs to Ravi's. Right? Yeah. Sixth one. My aunt's sari is made of silk. Aunt plus apostrophe yes, aunt's sari. Bobby's eyes are blue. Whose eyes? Bobby's. Yes, we can circle it. Nishan's kitten is walking on the wall. The kitten that is walking on the wall belongs to Nishant. So, Nishant plus apostrophe S. Bear in mind, apostrophe S indicates ownership or possession of something. Apostrophe S is always used with a noun. Noun Nishant plus apostrophe S. Now, let's look at the board. Look at the board, all of you. Rewrite these groups of words using apostrophe S. First group of words, the parrot which belongs to Lippy. Second one, the neck of the giraffe. Third, the tail of the kitten. How can we change these sentences using the apostrophe S? Let's see. First one, the parrot which belongs to Lippy. How can we write? Lippy's parrot. Lippy, noun plus apostrophe S. Lippy's parrot. Second one, the neck of the giraffe. Okay, which is the noun here? The giraffe. Let's start with the giraffe. The giraffe, apostrophe, yes. The giraffe's neck. Right? Yes. Last one, the tail of the kitten. The kitten's tail. The kitten's tail. As I told you, the apostrophe S indicate the possession or ownership of something, of a noun. And always apostrophe S is used with a noun. Children, here is the mind map of the lesson, use of apostrophe S. We use apostrophe S to show belonging. Apostrophe S is used with the noun of a sentence. Here are some examples for you. Nitin's brother won the competition. This is Shilpa's umbrella. Anu's doll has red hair. You have to bear in mind two main points. First one, apostrophe S always indicate the possession or ownership of something, of a noun in a sentence. Second one, apostrophe S is always used with a noun. Here is an activity for you. All of you look at the board and try to find out the correct answers. Rewrite the sentences using apostrophe S. What is the first sentence? This hat belongs to Sally. You have to rewrite the sentence using apostrophe S. Second one, this guitar belongs to Peter. Third one, the father of my friend is a doctor. All of you try to find out the correct answers. This hat belongs to Sally. How can we change it using apostrophe S? This is Sally's hat. Second one, this guitar belongs to Peter. This is Peter's guitar. The father of my friend is a doctor. My friend's father is a doctor. Students, all of you watch the video carefully. After watching the video, read the lesson, chapter 20, use of apostrophe S. Thank you so much for watching the video. God bless you.